Welcome in, welcome in. Today we are looking at these very, very pretty switches. These are HMX Cthulhu's. These are not on Unikeys. They're supposedly a recolor of the Yogurt-S, which we also don't have quite yet. But these are very pretty. PC, I'm not sure what top. I want to say PC, but maybe not. Very pretty. I like them. These are supposedly quite clacky. I'm going to throw them up back to back against the Aperols and probably the Ashes, depending how I feel. But these two for sure, as I was requested. Big shout out to Mech.land. I reached out to Mech.land and Keybay. Keybay has completely ignored me. They have not responded in DMs or email. Mech.land responded right away and sent me a batch out. It's still actually in shipping, but my local homie Porky got me these so that I can get this sound test out to you early before Mech.land switches kit here. But seeing as Keybay did not respond to me, I will be using Mech.land as the better customer support at this point to buy from. So give them a shot. They were first to respond to me, so if you're going to be grabbing these switches, go to Mech.land. We'll take care of the specs and whatnot after the sound tests. Let me try to get you in as soon as I can. All right, here come the sound tests. I can't get over how beautiful this switch looks. I love this colorway. Now, my friend Porky got this for his purple PC Sebas that just landed. This is the perfect switch to complement that purple PC. It's so pretty. I really, really like this color. One thing I should mention, second time around with the Aperols. As I casually type on here, there is some kind of noise coming out of here. Very, very tiny bit, very, very subtle. I haven't actually isolated and looked for it to find it. But as I type, I do notice, you know, just a little tick here, a little tick there. Enough for me to notice, but I'm too lazy to actually isolate it and find it. The Cthulhu's, clean right out of the bat, right? Or all the way. Clean all the way so far. Consistent, no issues. Nothing that stands out. All right. I'm too lazy to bust out the specs on the Cthulhu's. I'm sure you guys could look it up. I'll add it in the description below. Too lazy to add it into the video. These Cthulhu's are good though. I like them. They're quite full. It is a deeper pitch than the Aperols, but I think they might actually be louder despite the deepness. Despite the fullness, these are actually coming out louder than Aperols, which I thought was kind of hard to believe. Please grab them from Mech.land. I'm going to have the link in the description below. No affiliation with them yet, other than they were kind enough to send these out to me. These are actually Porky's, but they are sending me a batch. No questions asked. They just said, yep, we'll send them to you. So they're still in the mail. Keybay, on the other hand, I know they're a big vendor. I know they're basically Bowl North. I know they're carrying all the Swag Key stuff now and KBD fans. So they're growing to be quite big. But from a customer service standpoint, they're ignoring my DMs, ignored my email for requests to feature these. Basically, I want a show for them, ignoring me. So take that with a grain of salt. Right now, my own personal experience dealing with them, not a good one. So go to Mech.land. Timmy there will take care of you right away. Tons of HMX coming. I've got the latest batch of HMX coming and the Key Geeks. These guys are not available on Unikeys. They will be Yogurt S recolors. When I get the Yogurt S's, obviously I can test it directly. Very pretty switch. If you have a purple board and want to be on theme, I really like this guy. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button. If you really, really like the stuff I do, hit the super thanks and buy me a coffee. All right, peace out. If you're going to buy the Aperols, grab those from Unikeys. Charlotte Cutest, 7% off. See you guys soon.